What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Quantical Cap, and in today's video we're going to be analyzing the market and how we knew at 9:03 that the day was going to be bullish and how everybody trading live with us made money. That's right, we said in the beginning of the day that the day was going to go down at the opening to the view app, and then the rest of the day was going to go bullish, and we were looking for bullish trades, bullish opportunities, so everybody, over 200 people trading live with us, made money. In this video I'm going to explain exactly why and how we knew this analysis. So let's look at the delta hedging from QQQ and SPY. As you can see from the screenshot, this was at 9:03. So at 9:03, we knew exactly what the market was going to do. As you can see from the first positive delta hedging bar, the price was already breaking the 725. Again, the first positive delta hedging bar, which we know from our system that if we break that bar and we stay above that bar, we're most likely going to go up towards the biggest positive delta hedging bar, this green one you see here, which was a 730. As well as having a lot of interest on QQQ, we also had a lot of interest in a target right here at the 777 on SPY. So Eric said live today at 9:15 that we were going to be bullish at the opening because we had take profit using striking bell, but after taking profit at the view app at the opening, we were going to be bullish the rest of the day, so we had to look for bullish opportunity. And this is exactly what we did. As you can see, I have a screenshot of all of the trades that we took within the Quantical Cap system, the opening, setup number 6, and setup number 1. And I recorded all of my trades here so you can see that I'm not picking just the best trades. Trade number 1 at the opening, we took this with Eric because of striking bell, and guess what? It worked. We made money here, and we made money here on my prop firm account number 1, my prop firm account number 2. So 2 out of 2 perfect trades in the beginning of the day. That's before like 9:35, and then immediately as soon as we touched the first negative at around the 724, right after the open, as you can see here, boom, I entered long on this confirmation. Entered long a little bit late, but still made a lot of money. On account number 4, I started building a position in the beginning of the day because I knew that we were opening positive delta hedging and we were most likely going to go to the 730. So I started building a position on this account as soon as we went down at the opening, and we confirmed a setup number 6. Setup number 6 is a delta hedging protection at the first negative delta hedging bar. So I entered longer over here again by adding more contracts to this position, and boom, the market exploded up, made money. Once the market exploded up and I closed account number 3 with profit and account number 4 with profit, I moved on to account number 5 because, as you guys know, in Quantical Cap we have setup number 6, which is the delta hedging protection. The market goes down, we touch that level, the price closes above, we go along towards the first positive delta hedging bar. Once we go to the first positive delta hedging bar, that's a complicated level where we have to see if we're going to have a bounce or if we're going to break. Since we broke the first positive delta hedging bar, we got a second setup, which is setup number 1, a bullish breakout. That's the one I took on accounts number 5 and account number 6, going up towards our target, the 730. And let's see what happens, right? Boom, 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 boom. Market going up, exploded up, and guess where the market went? We broke the first positive, the 725, and we went all the way up towards our target, the 730. How did we know the market was gonna go down at the opening, get the view app, explode up, break all the levels, and go to the target at the 730 before the day even started? So how did we know in the beginning of the day, before the market opened, exactly what the market was gonna do? It's because we have institutional indicators, and all these indicators are based on market structure. These are based on the 6 market maker setups, and we can identify what the market makers will need to do in the futures market to avoid losses in the options market. It's actually that simple. So if you can identify our 6 setups, you can correctly predict 90% of the time what the market is going to do. If we're in setup number 6, you buy. Setup number 1, we buy. Setup number 2, we sell. This is how Quantical Cap works. And if you want to know more about these 6 setups with 90% win rates, if you want to know more about trading with us live, click the link below, watch the webinar, and join us today.